Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Android Studio on your Mac operating system. So before installing Android Studio, you need to have Java installed on your Mac operating system. So if you want to check whether Java is installed on your Mac operating system, you can just start the terminal. So just search for terminal, and when terminal opens you can just write java hyphen version, and if it gives you some kind of Java version, then Java is installed on your system. If not, you might want to install Java on your Mac operating system. So I will put the link of the video how to install Java on your Mac operating system if you don't know how to install Java on your Mac operating system. So once you have Java installed, you can just open your favorite browser and search for Android Studio, and the first link which will appear here will be from developer.android.com. We are going to just click on this link, and once this link opens, you will be able to see this download Android Studio button here. So I'm going to just click on this button, which is going to show me this kind of window. So here it's going to give you this kind of pop-up window where you need to agree with the license terms and conditions. So if you agree with all these license terms and conditions, just check this checkbox and then click on download Android Studio for Mac, which is going to start the download of this Android Studio DMG file on your Mac operating system. So I will wait for the download to complete, and once this DMG file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this Android Studio DMG file, and I'm going to minimize my browser, and now this kind of window is visible. So what you need to do, you just need to simply drag this icon to your applications folder. So I'm going to just select this Android Studio icon and then drag this icon to my applications folder. So it's going to copy this Android Studio inside your applications folder, and once it is done, you can just go to the launchpad. So just click on launchpad icon, and you will be able to see this Android Studio icon. So now I'm going to just click on this Android Studio icon, which is going to start the installation of Android Studio on your Mac operating system. So first of all, you will be able to see this window which says this app downloaded from the internet, and are you sure you want to open it? So I'm going to just click on open, and now you will be able to see this kind of window. So it says config or installation folder, and it also says do not import settings. So because I don't have any previous installation of Android Studio, so I will leave everything as default and then click on OK, which is going to start the Android Studio on your Mac operating system. So the first window you will see here will be this kind of window, which will tell you to share your data. If you want to share your data, you can click send usage statistics to Google. I will just click on don't send, and now I can see this kind of window. So here on this welcome window, I just need to click on the next button, and on the next window, the installation type, I will leave it as standard. If you are advanced Android Studio user, you can also select custom option here. For now, I'm going to leave it as standard and then click on next, and now you can choose the UI theme. I'm going to choose the Darkula theme. You can also choose the light theme, and then I'm going to click on next, and here you will be able to see the settings. So if you want to review or change any of your installation setting, click previous. So here all these tools will be installed. I'm going to just click on finish, and this is going to start the installation of all these components. So just wait for the download to complete. You can also see the details of this process when you click on show details button. So now the installation of Android Studio is finished. So you will see this kind of window, which is the welcome window for the Android Studio. So we can create a new project from here. So let's create a new project. I'm going to just click on new project here, and then we are going to create an empty activity project. So just select empty activity here and then click on next, and you can provide the name to your application. For now I'm going to leave it as default. You can also choose your language, Kotlin or Java. I'm going to choose Java for now, and then you can also choose the minimum SDK. So I will leave it as default, which is API 16, which will cover approximately 99.8% of devices. You can also choose different API version from here. So once you are done with the setting, you can click on finish, which is going to create your Android Studio project. So you can see this project is loading, so just wait for some time until the project loads, and on the right hand side you will see what's new. You can minimize this window. So at this point, when your project is loading, you will see this process, which is the Gradle process. So it's downloading some Gradle related libraries. So you just need to wait for some time until those libraries are done downloading, and you will see this process bar here. So just wait for this process bar to reach to the 100% mark. So now the process of Gradle package download is completed, and you will be able to see on the left side this project view, and on the right side this kind of code view for your main activity. Also, when you click on activity_main.xml file, you will be able to see the UI view of your app. So by default it has this one text view and there is hello world written inside that text view. Now here you can split this UI view in 3 modes. So you have this design mode by default selected. You can also see the code behind this UI, and also you can click on the split view, where you will be able to see the UI component and the code behind it, which is the XML file. Okay, so you can choose if you want to see the code view, split view, or the design view from here. Also you will see the terminal option here, so you can click on the terminal option and you will be able to see the terminal here. You can also see the build process, which is the next option here. So when I click on build process, you can see build successful in 4 minutes 26 seconds. That means the build was successful. So now let's try to run this app. So I'm going to just click on this run app button and let's see what happens. So when you click on run app button, it's going to run your app in your emulator, which is downloaded at the time of the installation of your Android Studio. So this emulator will come with the download of Android Studio on your Mac operating system. Also you can see this message which says Android Studio would like to access the microphone. An application in Android Studio request access to device microphone. So if you want to allow this, you can also allow this microphone, or if you don't want to allow this, you can just select don't allow. So for now I'm going to just select don't allow for now, and you can also see here at the bottom it says waiting for all target devices to come online. So it's waiting for this emulator device to come online, and once this device comes online, you can see this Pixel phone is starting. So now I can see this app which is running on my Android emulator, right? So I can see this hello world in the message here. So now let's just say that I want to change this hello world message from here. So I can just select this text edit from here or text view from here, and then I can just write hello from Android Studio, and then I'm going to rebuild my project by just clicking this hammer button, and once it's done I can just relaunch my app. So I can just click on this button once again, which is going to run my app once again, and it's going to relaunch my app in the emulator, and now I can see this message which says hello from Android Studio. So everything is working. That means we have successfully installed Android Studio on our Mac operating system and tested it with a sample project. So this is how you can download and install Android Studio on your Mac operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.